Don't let anyone to bother you eating. Please, Ginny, please.
Hey, no way someone's gonna actually come inside here and then try to take photo with me. Doubt. But thank you.
来吃过吗？
还没。First time. Yes.
这边我们有一个礼品。
Okay. Thank you.
可以 order from here or take from here.
Okay.
然后你拿下来都放这边，不要放回去哈。Don't put it back.
Don't put it back. Okay.
If you need something, just press the service menu.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so
You
much.
wanna check? Just
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, this place is more people.
The problem is Sinchu is so boring besides work. So many people are waiting for you to take pictures. They have nothing to do after work, lol.
Nah, Sinchu is not boring. It's just, guys. Yeah. But anyway, I'm not a celebrity. I'm just a mere goblin, Chet, who's walking across like Taiwan. And thankfully a lot of people support me, so I'm very thankful for it. That's the reason why I don't want to say no to, people who support me. I want to take a picture and everything. But anyway, guys, imagine like actual celebrity like Beyonce. No wonder why they bring bodyguards, because without bodyguards they won't be able to move. Guys, look at this, bug bites. Okay, guys, you guys,
Your attention please, fellow sushi eaters. This is the Beyonce of Taiwan. No pictures please. Thanks you.
You guys would not believe how many stuff I'm carrying right now. Okay. I'm gonna go bathroom and then pee and then wash my hands. 我要去 WC. 等一下. Wait a second. Thank you. So many things, so it's like dropping. Okay, wait a sec. Wait a second, guys. I'm gonna order first. Let me see. Seared. Ooh. Grillio. Next. Continue. Oh my god, this looks so good. Sea urchin. Next. Continue. McFine, thank you so much for the sub. Yo. This place looks very, very delicious. Do they have sea urchin? Like only sea urchin?
By the way, please get rid of all your things on hand. It can be put in a can.
Put in a can?
You are the very definition of celebrity. You just won't acknowledge it. This is what celebrity is. Experience, not the everyday person.
What's this? Salmon.
Hello, nice stream. Hi from Lithuania. We hope one day you can visit us here. Enjoy your sushi and much love from Eastern Europe.
Thank you. Eastern Europe. Oh my god. Cool. Hey guys. Lithuania. Probably visit one day. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and wash hands and come back.
That's not a bug bite, that's a zombie bite from the attack. You will have to choose it off and start over before infection spread. Anyways, I'm proud of all you are doing and showing true kindness.
Tony Twitter, thank you for $3. No. I'm telling you, they want to take photos with you guys, okay?
Guys, she's going to snap in the bathroom like Eminem and I am whatever you say
guys
I
are
am.
celebrities. If I
she can't
go
take a
without
piss
you guys,
because they
no
will
one's
want
gonna
an
take a picture
autograph.
with me. Seriously. Okay, I'm gonna go pee pee. Wait a second. You guys enjoy the sushi train. Guys, came inside to take photos. Thank you. Wow, check this out. It looks so good. I will from now on. 现在，因为我应该吃饭 because I have to eat. If someone say photo when I'm eating, I'll say no. Well, more monster, thank you for 3 months, so thank you so much.
Pepe laugh smoke time.
Yeah. Thank you.
Have a nice relaxing dinner.
This is urchin with beef. 22 cheese, thank you so much for 3 months, so thank you.
Great. VIP seats. Welcome to the city which has the most fans in Taiwan.
Sea urchin and meat. Guys, I think when I go outside, there will be people who's gonna. There are a lot of people who's taking picture of me, video of me right now. I can see it.
It is happy to see that Ginny eats delicious sushi after crazy taking photo moment. You did it. Have a nice dinner time.
Thank you. Guys, do you guys love sea urchin? I love sea urchin. Now a little bit of wasabi. You never had sea urchin? You should. It's really good. Delizioso, but not everyone will like it. I'm gonna order more sea urchin. What would you guys do if you were in my situation? Would you say yes to all picture, or would you guys just be like, oh no, like too tired, or like I gotta go eat and then say no? You would say no? Really? No? 마케팅은 내가 땡큐 감사합니다. 땡큐 쉐쉐 아리가또 No, not when you're eating, just like outside. And then there are like way too many people who want to take a picture. Would you take a picture with everyone, or are you gonna say like, oh no, I'm sorry, you're gonna be like that? Dennis Lou, thank you so much.
No dot 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 no dot.
No way, really? Nah. I'm pretty sure you guys will say yes too.
Next time say you can have a picture if you help me carry my loot. Say you are over encumbered and can't take a picture due to all the loot the goblin has.
We're doing a lot of stuff. What else? Let's see. I don't know, it's... I have it here. Yeah, I would feel bad saying no. To be honest, exactly. What am I saying? Ooh, this is it. It's a salmon roll. You chew it, and then this will pop in your mouth.
Ginny should charge for taking pictures. This should make a lot of money.
No, greedy. different. Just popped in my mouth. I want to go pee pee, but if I go outside to pee pee, I'm afraid I might not be able to come back, guys. Wait a minute though. I might have something. Some of the sniper did. This? What does it mean? Good? What does it mean?
Hi Ginny, it's me the chef in front of you. Give me some money and I can take you out of the restaurant through the back entrance. Or would you rather leave through the front where your adoring fans are waiting?
I am late, so no photos. Ah, okay. Mimi Hammer, thank you for 3 months. Thank you so much. It means no picture.
It's so nice that people in Taiwan are nice and some even giving you gifts. I only once was in Turkey but hopefully can visit Asia one day anyways. THX for your wonderful adventures. Give PLZ. I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't then why would I say I am? In the news and paper, every day I am. I don't know, it's just the way I am.
Yeah, maybe that's good. Do you think we'll be... So, my plan is, I plan to... How much did we walk already, Chet? 20... Ah, thank you. Guys, I ordered 4 sea urchin. I love sea urchin. 23. So I think Dubé, it was my last goal today. And then I was like, oh, it's only 8 p.m. So I was thinking maybe we might actually be a little... No, I didn't order... Yeah, I didn't order this.
Be sure to put half eaten sushi back on boat for snipers sitting downstream.
Be sure to have eaten sushi. Be sure to put half-eaten sushi back on boat for a sniper sitting down. What? Little Ding Dong Science Theme Park. If you guys want to go Little Ding Dong Science Theme Park, we have to go tomorrow, Little Ding Dong. But I didn't really plan on going to Little Ding Dong Science Theme Park. I thinking we could go down to Shinchu. If we, after eating, if we walk to Shinchu, it is possible. It's another 10 kilometers? 10? Not 10. Let me think.
For all the Zoomer babies that grew with an iPad glued to their faces. That was the hook to Eminem's song, I Am. That is all.
.3 kilometers.
Yo. Tomorrow the Taiwan news will probably be broadcast again. Ginny was chased by Jubei army.
They're not gonna do that. Can you replay it? I got refreshed. The sub that I couldn't react to. So do you think we should walk 6 more kilometers today, Jud, after dinner? And go to Shinchu area? Or rest here? Orchard Club for 35 also, thank you so much.
Yo.
I guess it is a bit far. Actually, yeah. Early in the morning, because it's very early, let's snipe.
Today, Ginny is slapped with encumbered and a close shave of super stunlock. Ginny have to spam dodge roll to escape so that she can have her sushi kek. What a Dark Souls experience, kek. Ginny, not gonna lie, that hairstyle is extra cute on you. Feels wow, man.
Thank you, yo. Tony Twitches, thank you for $10. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you.
Here is a -10. Kek.
What should we should, I ordered 4 urchins.
If you feel bad saying no, pretend to be on a phone call.
Well, you think that's gonna work? Some people asked to take picture with me when I was crying. I don't think that's gonna work. Let's see. Some hot tea we can drink. How many spoons is the best? Probably a little bit.
Can I take a picture with you? Wait, another one please. This one was blurry. Oh, I just happened to stumble onto you again. Can I take another picture please, creepy champ?
Some people take so many pictures. Like, they take picture and then they leave, and then a few hours later they come back again, and then they take picture again. They think I don't know, but I know. But I just don't say anything. I'm like, all right, let's do it. I guess they didn't like the picture. But this time when I was running, because I was like, I just want to eat, and then the guy was like, yeah, I want to take a picture again. Usually I would say, all right, but this time I was like, again? And he was like, yeah, I look ugly in there. I was like, all right. You have big heart. I mean, I'm just trying to be nice to everyone. The thing is, like, sometimes it gets overwhelmed. I get overwhelmed when there are way too many people who are like asking for something. But this happened a lot when I was a kid too. Because I could not say no, like there were a lot of situations where like people asked me a bunch of favors, and then I was like, oh man, in my head I'm like, I don't think I'll be able to do it. It's like too many words. But then I was like, I couldn't say no, so I was like, okay, I'll help you. And then I ended up like couldn't help the people because I didn't have any time. And then, you know, and then it was just all bad. So what I realized is like, if I actually cannot help, then I should say no, because if I say yes to a favor that I cannot return, then people are gonna, you know, be not happy. Because, you know, once you say yes to it, it's like you're making a promise. So I've gotten a lot better at saying like, oh no, I don't think I can do it, like if someone asks me a lot of favor. But this is like tiny favor, so I feel like I
Hi
can do
Ginny,
it.
yes please walk 6 more kilometers today. I am charging my cameras right now, but they will be ready after you eat.
Yeah, this is like, photo is tiny favor, so I feel like I could do it, but whenever there are way too many people, like hundreds of people, like take picture, take picture, take picture, take picture, and then I'll be like, it gets overwhelmed, you know? Understandably. True.
Enjoy it while you can. You won't experience this in any other countries.
True. I think XQC might actually experience this in any other countries. That's the reason why XQC doesn't do IRL much. I mean, I love, it's like people are very passionate and then they're like super supportive. I really like it, and then I really appreciate it. That's the reason why I want to return favor, and then, you know, take a picture. Okay, it's not a big deal, I'll do it. But whenever I'm like on the way and then there are hundreds of people, I'd be like, oh my god, okay, I'm going crazy. I need to take a little bit of break of taking a picture, because every time I take a picture I'm like, it's like my lips are like, Any juicers in here? Nah, but I'm good. Let's see, we can order something. I think I'm good with sushi. I ordered like 4 sea urchin.
Try this, you run and say I need to go to toilet. I can't hold it. I am sorry.
What if they follow me all the way to the toilet and then hear me poo poo? Matcha green tea ice cream with the candy potato sounds so delicious. Look at that. Wiener, thank you for 6,001. Thank you so much. Blade Winner? Oh, Blade Winder.
Hey babe, 어떻게 지내? 너도 알겠지 내가 바보 같은 여자란 걸. 무언가를 잃어버린 것처럼 불안해. 그 안에 가슴이 구멍이 난 것처럼 여전해 한번 시작된 눈물을 대체해버렸지가 않아 곁에 혹시나
Thank you for 6,001. Oh yeah. Okay, check this out. Oh my god, I'm excited for Shinchu tomorrow. Today Shinchu. Because we're going to zoo. Alright, let's check out how much let's check out the map today. I ordered the dessert.
You can just say you are running to do something and refuse. By the way, I love the guy that sit next to you. He is so handsome.
Ooh.
At least Taiwanese don't ask you to sing happy birthday anymore.
Oh yeah, happy birthday was... It's like, hey, it was my birthday yesterday. Oh really? Happy birthday. But then, I think the reason why asking me to sing happy birthday song while they were filming me, I felt like that's not asking for a favor. I felt like I became some kind of monkey at a zoo. It was very belittling, you know what I'm saying? I think that's the feeling that I had when people were asking me with the camera and then be like, yeah, sing happy birthday song for me, like, this was my birthday. Yeah, sing it. I'm like, okay, am I not human to you guys? Well, they didn't say it like that, but you know what I'm saying? It felt like... Hi, 160W, thank you for 50%. Thank you so much. 감사합니다, thank you, 쉐쉐, arigato, the dress is missing. Thank you, 쉐쉐, butang, thank you so much. 감사합니다, 쉐쉐, thank you. Thank you so much, thank you. Thank you. You understand, right? It's like people like already so many people take picture and it's all good. But then if someone asks like, hey, can you say happy birthday to me? And then can you say happy birthday to me too? This is my name. And some people, it wasn't even their birthday. They just wanted me to sing happy birthday to them. And I was like, wow, this is basically not treating me as a human, but it's more like treating me as some kind of like monkey that does trick. Yeah, very dehumanizing. That's what I felt like at that time. That's the reason why I felt like super exhausted and then I felt sad. And then I wanted to be nice, but I couldn't at that moment, so I felt sad too. But taking picture is fine. Jian, thank you for the sub, thank you. Sometimes when it gets too overwhelming like this, I'll just like run. But taking picture is fine. That's thank you. That's all good. Bing chilling. To have boundaries is important. Jian, thank you for the sub, thank you. 我喜欢 bing chilling. They have yam inside. This is my dessert. I'm checking outside. It doesn't look like there are people waiting out, like, and taking video anymore. Way sucks, thank you. Thank you so much for the sub. Alright, so check this out. This is how much you've walked. Okay, I can stop. Check this out. Just so you know, if I feel too overwhelmed, I'll probably think about it. But yeah, right now it's okay. I'm eating and I'm happy. Check this out. Do you see this progress? We started here, Chad, and we're all the way down there. Oh my god. We're actually seeing the progress. This is like probably 40%? 40%? Not 40? 50? Yeah, 明天我们要去苗栗. Tomorrow we're arriving here. 苗栗. 我们要去新竹 and 苗栗. We're gonna go through Shinju, stay here, and then arrive to the Miaoli district around here. To the line. Shinju is gonna be nice. Shinju 要很好玩 because they have some stuff there, like zoos and stuff. I like zoo. 可能. Yeah, and then here is Taichung. I think we will arrive Taichung soon. Probably this week. On the weekend, we'll arrive. Probably 要到了台中 Saturday. Probably, maybe we'll arrive Saturday. This week. Wouldn't I? 不可能? You think so? But Maui is 40 kilometers. 40 kilometers is 2 days. Fine. That's doable. As long as the weather is like this today. If the weather gets hot, then that's GG because I'll have to take a lot of rest. I'm making a lot of progress. I'm very proud. Thank you for the song. I think thank you. Taichung 很大. It's a good taste. Good. 好吃. Taichung. I think, yeah. Time flies so fast. I know, right? Tomorrow, 500 selfies. You know what? Tomorrow, maybe. Taichung. Do you think Taichung will have a lot of people who want to take a picture? Thank you so much.
Impressive progress.
Thank you, those posters. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, those posters. Much done.
Hi Ginny, I know you don't say no. I will bring you a whole durian tomorrow. Please accept it and show us how you carry it for 20 kilometers.
No. 不行. No. Autumn, thank you for $10. Thank you.
Ginny, do you know there is a big hole on the road in Sinchu? Just nearby.
There's a big hole. Red Pit, thank you so much for the sub, thank you. Okay, let's see. I'm full. Let's go. Oh wow. Let me see. Pay the bill. 화장실 가야 돼. Huh? Do I pay over there? Oh. Wait a second, Jen. I'm gonna go pay real quick. Blade window, thank you for 5,000. Thank you so much. I have to go to
Free phone here, someone take all this free stuff please. Also Sloppy Burps was here.
Let's go, chat. 20 snipers outside. I actually don't know.
Mali is an independent country. Just make sure if you bring your passport tomorrow.
Really? Independent country? Thanks, CCP. Thank you for the sub.
Hi Ginny, I met you at Bunchi on Sunday night. Just wanted to say that I am back in Taipei. Thank you for using the waterproof bag I gave you. I have been following this live since day one and it was nice to see you continue to enjoy the journey.
Thank you, Andy, for the bag. Nice meeting you. Thank you for the sub. Nice meeting you. Thank you, thank you. Wait a second. Alright, chat. Let's do it. I don't know if hopefully not that many people are waiting outside. I don't really see. Wait a minute, I see. I wanna look around the mall a little. Yeah, I don't really have to look at this. Alan, no, how about thank you for 2 gifts? Thank you so much. I have to shit.
Should we ask the Monocorn for an ultra-secretive exit door? Parasocial friend.
Sorry if I want to hear. Yeah, I know you're really cute.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
No offense, but I want to take a selfie. I don't want to, it's fine.
Okay, I can help you.
This is really good.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Thank you. Bye bye. Chip kid. Okay, I never can say no to kids. Okay. How do you say no to kids? Alright, oh shit. Alright, wait a sec. This is what we're gonna do. Are you guys ready? Demon Zumpe Lama. Ready?
FBI, open up!
What FBI? It's like kids are.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
There's no back door. There's no back door. I'm telling you. Okay, 1 bag. 2 bags. I really need to poo-poo. Burnt game, thank you for tier 3. One more time, thank you so much. Kamsahamnida, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. How? 116 TW. Thank you so much. 感谢你的another 50 episode. 感谢你的50订阅，谢谢。감사합니다, thank you, 谢谢。ありがとうございます。Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. 谢谢 Thank you. 感谢感谢。Mikey, thank you so much for one month. Thank you so much. How? 16 TW, thank you so much again. 감사합니다. Thank you, 谢谢。ありがとうございます。Thank you,感謝感謝 Thank you. 谢谢 Thank you. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's go. What is this? Die 3 and 10. Thank you so much for the sub. Don't go outside. I mean, we have to. We have to keep going. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be that many people because we already took big pictures with a lot of people, right? A lot of bags. Okay. Whoa. Hi.
欢迎来到新竹，欢迎欢迎。
谢谢 Thank you. Can you wait outside? I'm going outside.
Okay.
Thank you.